OpenAI has once again expanded their product range with the unveiling of Sora, a cutting-edge text-to-video generator. This innovative tool seamlessly converts written prompts into remarkably realistic videos and fascinating users by giving exciting motion from the written words. The introduction of Sora signifies a remarkable achievement in the ongoing AI journey for more advanced and attractive forms of artificial intelligence, combining the kingdom of creativity and technology in extraordinary ways. The core of Sora's magical features lies in its cutting-edge AI architecture that creates upon the foundations laid by OpenAI's past inventions like chatgpt and DALL-E. Using a diffusion model approach, Sora brings to life a captivating concept which proves fascinating in its practical application. Think about commencing with a canvas immersed in random static noise reminiscent of an untuned television screen. Over succeeding steps, this noise is slowly polished, shaped, and colored. It follows the nuanced details outlined in the text prompt, ultimately resulting in the creation of a visually striking video. This method, advantageable to an artist, improving a sketch into a masterwork that highlights the model's profound capacity to understand and interpret human language. What distinguishes Sora is its adoption of a transformer architecture, a term closely associated with advanced AI research. Transformers excel in analyzing statistics. In here, visual information and this approach facilitates a nuanced comprehension of various scenarios. The use of this architecture empowers Sora to uphold the quality in videos which confirming that characters and objects maintain consistency over time, even when they shift out of view or endure revolution. It's similar to having a director's vision which never drops track of the plan, no matter how involved the scene develops. One of the most captivating features of Sora lies in its versatility. The model goes beyond generating small video clip, and extending its capability to produce videos lasting up to a minute. This gives the variety of storytelling possibilities from capturing a lady walking down a neon-lit street in Tokyo, Japan, to portraying the royal stride of woolly mammoths in a snowy landscape. Sora introduces a degree of complexity and genuineness, which blurs the difference between the digital and physical realms. This feature presents fresh opportunities for filmmakers, advertisers, educators, and individuals keen on delving into the potential of visual storytelling by the limitations of conventional video production. But OpenAI's focus extends beyond wow factor. The unveiling of Sora comes with a careful examination of the ethical considerations associated with the deployment of such formidable technology. In an era dominated by digital communication and the swift dissemination of misinformation, and there arises a significant apprehension regarding the possible misuse of hyper-realistic video creation tools. OpenAI has proactively tackled these concerns and adopting protective measures like red teaming, where specialists actively seek and correct potential risks. Additionally, the development of detection classifiers capable of identifying videos produced by Sora is another stride in ensuring safety. These initiatives emphasize a dedication to responsible AI development is aiming to ensure that progress benefits society while mitigating associated risks. The response to Sora has been exceptionally favorable, with its users worldwide expressing awe at the model's impressive capabilities. These remarkable applications are both diverse and thrilling. Think about teachers taking historical events to life for students who they are giving lectures, designers prototyping brand new ideas in dynamic form, or activists crafting captivating narratives to emphasize crucial issues. The capacity of Sora to transform text into videos unveils a realm of creativity and investigation limited solely by the imaginative boundaries of its users. However, even with its remarkable capabilities, Sora is not exempt from limitations. OpenAI has openly acknowledged the current weaknesses of the model, such as difficulties in correctly simulating multifaceted physics and upholding continuity in specific scenarios. These challenges emphasize the continuous evolution of AI development, where every advancement brings forth new difficulties to be addressed. But these limits act as a driving force for additional research and innovation, driving the artificial community towards the creation of even more sophisticated and dependable models. In the recent future, AI such as Sora is dignified to revolutionize creative industries. Filmmakers might adapt movies in real time based on viewers' reactions, and musicians could generate music videos that vary with each viewing. This isn't merely a product of imagination. It signifies the root of AI technology. Sora serves as a stepping stone, and forthcoming AI tools which function as agents to artists, giving helps in the realization of visions. The implications for creativity are significant and creating art creation more reachable and comprehensive. With AI tools such as Sora, individuals have the opportunity to delve into their creative potential and unlocking boundless potentials for invention in art, music, and beyond. This envisions a future where creativity is unrestricted and fostered by the synergy between human imagination and artificial intelligence. As OpenAI persists in defining and expanding Sora's abilities, which are the potential for a positive effect, becomes massive, by reshaping education and entertainment and paving the way for new forms of creative expression. Sora serves as evidence to the profound impact of AI in enriching our lives in many ways. As we explore the potentials and address the challenges of this emerging frontier, the journey of artificial intelligence innovation is ongoing, and the most exciting developments are still ahead of us. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.